Diary, hello. It is in fact September 2023, and this is one of my most expensive unboxings of the year. And this is a very special cardboard unboxing of what I think is going to be the Apple iPhone 15 Pro box. Now, as you all know, fellow engineers, the cardboard box is what has been protecting your package in transit all the way from, well, usually China to, in this case, the UK, United Kingdom. I'm just rotating around the whole view of the wonderful cardboard box that's been doing the protection. Now, I'm a little bit suspicious about this because the box doesn't seem to be one that would have survived the perils of international air transport. If I can just show you, this edge is completely loose. And this edge here, it's on the way to being loose. So I'm wondering whether Apple, when they ship their products, ship them in a, together with bazillions of other Apple iPhones in a protective sort of box, and then unbox them at the country of destination in some sort of warehouse, so that when they ship to the original, eventual customers, that's me, they're not very securely wrapped. Anyway, I've got the Dumbo strip here, which is allowing me to unbox the whole package without a knife. Let's see how it goes. Oh, let's have a look at that. So on the back of that tear strip is some fibrous material here. And I'm guessing that means to say that it can't tear. Right, now, don't make a fool of me, box. So there's the strip that I've opened. There's another opening. Oh, iPhone. Let's shoot it the right way around. I'm going to say this way around. And now there's two tabs to pull here, cardboard tabs. I'm guessing it's some sort of mechanism. Let's have a little look-ski. Yes, it is. So as you pull on these tabs, the phone box is opened. Now this, of course, is the irrelevant box. We're going to put that over here. Wow, look at that. So that's the packaging. So these cardboard tabs, as you pull, can you see, it pulls this strip of cardboard up. And that is it. That is the cardboard unboxing of the Apple iPhone 15 Pro. Thanks for watching, Diary.